Hey everyone, welcome back to Nor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12 Pro, replacing the battery. Let's get started. Now we are disassembling the phone. Applying heat to disassemble the phone. Removing the display. Now removing the battery. Removing gum from cases. This is our new battery. Checking the battery. Showing genuine part error message. Now we will fix it. Removing battery circuit. We will install the old battery circuit to the new battery. After circuit replacement, remove old battery data through the JCID programmer. Installing the battery. Checking battery health. And that's it. We've successfully replaced the iPhone 12 Pro battery. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.